Grow your wealth through real estate investing with Tech Homes Now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Arthur. Today I'm excited to talk about growing your wealth through real estate investing with Tech Homes Now. At Tech Homes Now, we acquire exclusive off-market and distressed properties. We rehab them and we offer them as turnkey investments. We find the deals, we identify the properties with great potential for value growth. Next, we rehab the properties. Our expert team renovates them to make sure that they're rent ready. We offer turnkey solutions. Investors like you can enjoy benefits without the usual headaches. And here's the 3 big reasons to partner with Tech Homes Now. Okay, number 1, we're a hassle-free process. We handle everything from the acquisitions of the property to the management. Number 2, small investments, big returns. Invest in single-family homes and up to 4-unit properties with small capital. And number 3, consistent rental income. Properties are leased to tenants providing passive income without landlord hassles. Getting started with Tech Homes Now is easy. Whether you're interested in a single-family home or a small multi-unit property, we guide you through every step of the way. Our turnkey solutions allow you to enjoy real estate investing benefits without managing renovations or tenants. To learn more, click on the link in the descriptions or visit techhomesnow.com. To wrap things up, remember that investing in real estate comes with risks. There are always potential financial losses. Do your research and consult a financial advisor to ensure this opportunity aligns with your goals. And thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real estate investing tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Until next time, I'm Arthur from Tech Homes Now, helping you build wealth through smart real estate investments. See you in the next video. As a disclaimer, all investments, including real estate, carry risk. Past performance does not indicate future results. Please consult on a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Tech Homes Now may financially benefit from your investments.